Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic, the theory of quadratic equation. So first we have to know what is the quadratic equation. So let me introduce quadratic equation. So the definition is the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is basically an equation of second degree. So here the unknown number x, the degree of x is 2. So when the degree is 2, it is called quadratic equation. Here a not equal to 0 is the coefficient of x square. So it is the coefficient of x square. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant or absolute term. So here is the definition of quadratic equation. Now we will discuss about the roots of that equation. So if the equation is of degree 2, the number of roots will be 2. If the degree is 3 of the equation is 3, so the roots, how many roots are there? 3 roots are there. If the degree is 4, the roots are 4. Now here the equation, the degree of the equation is 2. So the number of roots are 2. So number of roots 2. It's very simple. Now we will find out the roots. If this is the equation number 1, solving that equation, we can find out the 2 roots. If we name the roots are alpha and beta, or suppose that these are the 2 roots of that equation, we can find out alpha is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Solving that equation, we can find out one of this root alpha is equal to that, and beta is minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it is very important, if the quadratic equation is that, what are the roots? The number of roots are 2, and first root alpha is minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the another root beta is equal to minus b minus. So here the whole expression is same, only this sign is different, that is plus and that is minus. So this is the equation and these are the roots. If one example, I suppose 4x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation because the degree is 2, and suppose you have to find out the roots. So what will be the roots? Alpha is equal to, we know, minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So comparing that equation with this equation, what is a? A is 4x square, 4x square. So comparing that equation with that equation, a is 4, b is minus 7, b is minus 7, and c is 3. So how we can find out the roots? Just put the value of ABC in this. So it is minus b, alpha is minus b, so minus of minus 7 plus b square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is 2 into 4. We can find out solving this alpha and beta is same expression, only here it will be minus. So, beta is equal to minus 7 minus 7 whole square 4 into 4 into 3 by 2 into 4. I think you can solve it yourself, that is only the simplification is needed and you can find out alpha and beta. So, we know if the quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and it has two roots, we know. If the roots are alpha, beta, we know the value of alpha is minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a and beta is equal to minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now, we will find out the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta. Just find out alpha plus beta, put the value of alpha beta, that is minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a plus the value of beta minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So, simplifying this, it will be minus b plus b square minus 4ac minus b minus b square minus 4ac. So, this will be cancelled out, minus b, that is minus 2b by 2a, which is minus b by a. So, alpha plus beta, the sum of the roots is minus b by a, or we can write minus coefficient of, what is b? b is the coefficient of x by a, coefficient of, what is a? Coefficient of x square. So, the sum of the roots is minus b by a and we will find out the product of the roots, that is alpha beta, putting the value of alpha and beta, that will be so it is just like a plus b, a minus b. So, we know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So, a square minus b square. Here a is minus b and b is square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a into 2a, that is 4a square. So, minus b whole square, that is b square, and this whole square means the square root will be omitted. So, that is b square minus b square minus plus 4ac by 4a square, which is 4ac by 4a square, that is c by a. So, the product of the roots is c by a and the sum of the roots is minus b by a. Here we can say c is the absolute term and a is the coefficient of a square. So, these two are very important to find out the equation. If the roots are given, then how to find out the quadratic equation? For that, these two are very much important, that is the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. So, we have discussed when the quadratic equation is given, we can find out the two roots, alpha and beta. But conversely, when the roots are given, then what will be the equation? Then this we will discuss. Formation of the equation when roots are given. Suppose alpha and beta is given, we have to find out the equation. So, the formation is like that, x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. solving this, we can find out it is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, which is most important. So if the two roots are given alpha and beta, what will be the equation? Equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. That means x square minus sum of the roots alpha plus beta into x plus what is that? Product of the roots. Is equal to 0. So for example, if the two roots are given, suppose it is 2 and minus 3. Our question is what? What is the equation if the two roots are given? Simple. Alpha is 2, beta is minus 3. So the equation is that. So the required equation, before that we can find out the sum and product. So sum of the roots. What is the sum of the roots? That is alpha plus beta, that is 2 plus minus 3, that is minus 1. And what is product of the roots? That is alpha beta, 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. So alpha plus beta, sum of the roots is minus 1 and product of roots alpha beta, that is minus 6. Just put here. So the required equation is x square minus sum of the roots, here sum of the roots is minus 1 into x plus product of the roots, that is minus 6 is equal to 0. Solving this, we can get x square minus minus plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So if the two roots are given, we can find out the equation also.